Assalamu alaikum, this is Saad from Sehgalmotors.PK. In today's video, we are showing you how we upgrade a Prado 2012 into a new model 2019, where this car is transformed into a new model in a few hours. We have replaced its hood, its both fender, its headlights, especially which have this beautiful running LED lights on turn signal. The most important part are the built-in LED projectors installed inside the headlight, which gives you a clear vision while driving at night. Usually this technology is getting common in many new cars like BMW, Audi, Mercedes, Toyota Fortuner. This conversion includes the grille with the Toyota logo, plus we have installed its LED fog lamps and its new lower bumper and the Modelistta BodyKit for a huge look. Everyone knows that we are pioneers in this business, and when it comes to 4x4 accessories, the only name comes to mind is SehgalMotors.pk, and this is how the work is done. We have transformed an old model of Prado into a new model introduced in 2018 worldwide in few hours. We usually make our videos in our Urdu language as we speak in Pakistan, but to communicate and outreach with people outside so they can understand our video better, I thought, why not make a video demonstration in English? So as I was saying, let me show you a closer look at the paint, which is done professionally by a paint booth, and after the baking process. Usually this practice is done by the companies like Toyota and BMW. It is now in its final look. Installation process is easy and done by our professional and experienced team. This is the difference between our work and the local market work, where the paint work is done on the roadside, which makes the car paint look pathetic. They never care about the quality standard like we do. This is why people always choose wisely and visit SehgalMotors.pk when it comes to conversions, which are also known as upgrade and facelift in Pakistan. This not only includes the front part but also backlights, where we also installed its new bumper, the center license plate frame with the chrome garnish. Usually when you go to local market, they will never include the portion just for a few bucks. This also has this beautiful black Modelistta BodyKit too, as we already installed in the front. So this is how you can convert an old Toyota Prado into a new model in few hours. Every second upgraded Prado and Land Cruiser in Pakistan is done by SehgalMotors.pk, and if you want your old car to be transformed into something like this, then don't wait, just dial 0311122357 and place your order now. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.